the faucet, and it's not, the handles aren't doing anything.
Oh.
So I'm gonna go underneath and see if the shut-off valves, if I can get it to shut off with the shut-off valve under here, which she had tried already, but it doesn't seem to be working. Tape never fixes a leak. Inspect periodically.
Yeah.
To make sure nothing's leaking under there. Because it looks like this has been leaking for a while and it's gone unnoticed. And unfortunately that causes damage. Looks like this piece is missing from here. Oh, I see what's going on. Okay. Maybe able to fix this. They should know where their main water shutoff is. So they can go down and shut the water off whenever there's a leak. It's really important for a homeowner to know where that is in the event that there's a leak. And this is just a small drip, but sometimes there's a major leak where water's gushing out. So it's always a good idea to know where to shut your main water off. For houses with wells, there's generally a well tank that looks similar to this. And usually at the bottom of the well tank, there's a valve. This is a ball valve, has a lever handle. When the lever handle is perpendicular to the pipe, it's off. When it is in line with the pipe, the water's on. You just want to occasionally exercise that valve and make sure it's free and not rusted up. If it is all rusted up, I don't recommend turning it until you have somebody come take a look at it. Because you hate to turn it and have it break and leave you without water or leave you, leaking water. If you have city water, generally you'll have something that looks like this, a water meter, and there's a valve on one side or the other of it. And same thing, as far as turning it off.